Hey guys, I'm Olivér Kovács, a Hungarian musician. In this video I'll discuss what makes a piece of music wintry. I'll cover the orchestration, the melody and the chord progression, so stay focused. My piece of music is in C minor and I use the C natural minor scale. The tempo is 70 BPM and the time signature is 6/8. The natural minor scale and the 6/8 time fit this musical theme very well, but of course they are not the only options. I used the symphony orchestra with a piano, but I entirely left out the brass section. I think brass instruments would be too powerful and prominent for this fragile, emotional piece of music. In the short intro, the violas and one of the bassoons provide the main melody, while in the main theme, the piano and the celesta takes the lead. The bassoon and viola combination provides a somewhat dark, melancholic feel, while the celesta and piano together create a wintry, icy mood. During the short intro, the first and second violins play in tremolo, conveying an icy, wintry mood. The tremolo articulation is excellent for this winter theme. The violas perform the main melody, which is a contrast to the high strings. The cellos and double basses provide bass notes in an octave doubling. The cello and double bass parts appear as a single line, but the sample library actually plays the basses an octave lower. If you want to create airy, breezy violin parts, don't space the violin voices a third apart, but a sixth or a fifth apart. This allows you to create a more open, spacious texture that evokes the feeling of a cold winter. The harp contributes to the transitions with glissandos. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. As I mentioned earlier, one of the bassoons play the main melody with the violas in the intro. I incorporated two bassoons and they follow each other during the intro. In the main theme, one of the oboes plays a secondary melodic line while one of the clarinets follows it. The other oboe technically could perform the accompaniment, but the oboe cannot play very quietly in its lowest register. This is why I incorporated a clarinet instead. The flutes provide runs and motifs contributing to the transitions between the sections. In the main section, one of the bassoons follow the cello voice. I used pitched and unpitched percussion instruments here. The pitched percussion instruments are the celesta and the tubular bells, while the unpitched percussion instruments are suspended cymbals, bass drums, and the triangle. When I write parts for keyboard instruments in a DAW program, I usually create separate MIDI tracks for the left and the right hands, because in this case, if you want to write sheet music from the MIDI, you can easily handle the voices. The suspended cymbals and the bass drum rolls help with the transitions. As I mentioned earlier, the celesta plays the main melody with the piano, but the piano performs it an octave lower. The chord progression here is very simple. I mostly use diatonic chords. In the natural minor, the fifth degree is usually minor, but at times I use the major chord instead. This is a common technique to add a bit of tension and spice to an otherwise simple progression. Let's listen to it.